Welcome to Prime Era Looks. Today, we reveal rare, charming, and vintage celebrity moments from Hollywood's golden age, hidden for decades.
Soft strings begin to sigh, a gentle piano's chord echoes of a time gone by, as shadows start to fall. A silent film unfolds in sepia tone light, a story the music holds through the long enchanting night. The crackle of the vinyl sound, a memory softly played, where timeless love is found in melodies unafraid.
Street lights glow, a gentle haze, lost in these enchanting days. A soft piano starts to play, sweeping worries far away. Oh, the magic of a silver age, turning back another page. In this moment soft and true, my heart remembers me and you. A quiet dance, a tender hand, across this timeless dreamy land. Each whispered word a sweet refrain, washing over us like rain. Oh, the magic of a silver age, turning back another page. In this moment soft and true, my heart remembers me and you. The reel unwinds a sweet goodbye.
Soft strings begin to play, a gentle piano sigh, echoes of a bygone day, beneath a fading sky. Oh, this in every whispered glance. Secrets the heart will keep, like a crackle on the reel, a feeling bittersweet, moments that time can't steal, our vintage love complete.
Shadows dance on silver screen, a melody, a faded dream. Soft focus, a tender sigh, beneath a starlit velvet sky. Oh, this old tune, it calls to me a sweet forgotten memory. In every note a love so deep, secrets that the heart will keep. Time may fade and years may turn, but in this echo, lessons learned, a gentle touch, a whispered name, rekindling an old familiar flame.
Soft strings begin to sigh,